Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. I'm ready.
Yeah.
Woo! Which one is this?
That's the ZVX.
Skar ZVX pack. Nice. You know what it's tuned to?
It says 38, but I hit best at 44.
So it's tuned to 38, but you're peaking at 44.
Yep.
Okay. And your amp?
Still running the Terra Amps HD 3K.
Okay.
For about another hour or so.
Okay.
Then we're going to upgrade to
Nice.
D5K.
All right. Sweet. Where's the amp at?
Underneath the seat.
Oh, it's underneath. Okay. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. What did you meter with the 3K?
49.6.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Almost to 50. And you're going to break that 50 easily.
And I'm only pushing 2,099 at max right now.
2,000, a little over 2,000. Okay. And the sub's brand new?
It's about 2 months old.
Okay.
I'ma do right way. Private charter, they snorting that tartar. I got them surrounded by white women. I got them looking like Paris. Each one of my teeth got a carrot in it. Hey, I think my plug race. All they see is white. Let's go and dump it. Private charter, they snorting that tartar. I got them surrounded by white women. I got them looking like Paris. Each one of my teeth got a carrot in it. Hey, I think my plug race. All they see is white. Let's go and dump it.
Man, it plays a little lower than last time.
Two and a half layers of sound deadener in here now.
Okay.
And the trunk is deadened too.
Did that help a lot?
Solid.
Yeah,
solid
helped a lot.
Now. Way
awesome. Better. Is what size alternator?
240.
240. Okay.
JS 240.
Awesome. Can I see that? Anyway, I like to see everything. Dude, that thing, you can tell it's still breaking in. What year is your CR?
1990.
1990. All right. Nice. Hidden down there. Red top too. There you go. Awesome. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Mark.
Mark. Thanks, Mark.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.